If your car has a combustion engine, it's basically a tiny metal volcano under the hood. Explosions heat pressure, thousands of times a minute. That's awesome for horsepower, and terrible for anything that wears out. Regular maintenance is how I keep that chaos from turning into a wallet fire. Start with oil. Oil is the bloodstream. It cools, cleans, and cushions. Skip oil changes, and it turns into sludge. Tiny sandpaper particles that grind bearings, score cylinders, and can literally seize the engine. Coolant? That's your heat manager. Old coolant loses corrosion protection. Scale buildup, hot spots, warped heads, and blown head gaskets. Translation: milkshake goo in your oil and a 4-figure repair. Air filter. Fuel filter. Starve the engine of clean air or clean fuel and it runs rich, misfires, clogs the catalytic converter, and drinks gas like a frat party. A $20 filter today beats a $1,200 cat tomorrow. Spark plugs are the match. Worn plugs make weak sparks, cause misfires, rough idle and raw fuel in your exhaust that cooks the cat. 10 minutes of nah, I'll do it later becomes months of why does this sound like a tractor? Belts, hoses, cracked rubber pops at the worst time. Lose a serpentine belt and you lose your alternator, power steering, and water pump. Congrats, you're stranded with an overheated engine. Transmission fluid, differential fluid, they're the unsung heroes. Skip them and you're budgeting for a rebuild instead of a road trip. PCV valves keep pressure in check. Brake fluid absorbs moisture and corrodes parts. Batteries hate heat. Maintenance keeps the whole ecosystem in balance. So why is skipping bad? Because engines don't fail immediately. They fail silently. Wear is invisible until it's catastrophic. You think you saved $150 today. Really, you started a countdown to a $5,000 repair. My rule: cheap, scheduled maintenance beats expensive, surprise repairs. Follow the service intervals in your manual. Keep receipts. Set phone reminders. Take care of the tiny volcano, and it'll reward you with smooth starts, better MPG, fewer breakdowns, and a higher resale. Skip now, pay later. Your call.